Hello again, and I guess I have a special one today. Can you guess what it is? It is a retired Speed Champions, the Mopar Dodge SRT Top Fuel Dragster and 1970 Dodge Challenger TA. Is that Trans Am? I don't think so, but this one has been on my list for a little while now since I found out about it, because it's obviously quite a bit different than the usual Speed Champions I have been building, the Dragster in particular. So yeah, I picked this up on Facebook Marketplace for $50, which is a good deal these days. It's in a sealed box and everything, so I'm gonna do some sacrilege here and unseal it. I've got my trusty new knife here. Let's see if I can break into it. Oh, without tearing up the box too badly. Okay. This is definitely a bigger box than the usual Speed Champions these days. And, yeah, let's see what's inside. Sorry about my finger there. Alright, I'm just gonna lay this out. Alright, so I did not get ripped off. Everything appears to be here. We've got 4 bags. Yep, which is pretty cool. We've got a second instruction booklet and a first instruction booklet. I'm actually surprised this is the first one, as I thought they were going to have us do this one first. I think I'm going to probably build this one first, though, because this one, saving the best for last. This is the sticker sheet. I don't know if it's for both or just the Dragster, but let's find out. Let's get building. I'm excited. Just want to make sure there's nothing left in there. No. Alright, here we go. Alright, so yeah, the second car starts with bag 3. So that's what we'll open up and build our dude, man. Looks like a fun guy. Here we go. Alright, we start off with our driver here, who has a nice little bumblebee on his shirt. We've got the standard wrench, which I found out recently that's great for taking off like the wheel covers on these rims. You know, you take the tire off and it pokes through the middle bit of the hole. I don't know why I never thought to do that, but that's why every Speed Champions comes with these things, to be able to do that. This is the back of his shirt. It says Dodge. He's got a cool hairstyle. And actually, he has a second face if we make him bald. Look, he looks like a nice, honest mechanic type of guy. But I kind of like the sunglasses. I get a lot of light in my unit. So there, I put his hair back on off camera. So he's ready to go. These are the parts in bag 3. And we have the Speed Champions base, which I thought this might be too old for that, but I guess not. This is probably when it first started happening. So that's cool. And I'm going to start getting built here now. So let's do it. Alright, so they get right to it. The new ones have kind of been working on one side and building it up and then the other side, but they're going full Monty here. Already got the shifter and the seats in. And look, I found another sticker sheet. So, wow, two sticker sheets. There's a lot of stickers here. I don't mind stickers, and I've showed you my trick on how to get them perfectly in past videos, if you've missed that. If you put them on and try not to really mash it down, you can actually get under the sticker with the sticker sheet itself to pull it back up and redo it if you didn't get it perfectly. It's a really handy trick to make sure there's no like indentions in the sticker or anything like that. So just a cool trick that I learned recently. It's been a big help, but I'm gonna continue here and see what's next. But we're building the purple car first, and this is a very vibrant purple. I definitely it will stand out from all the other Speed Champions, which is cool. Yeah, none of these are purple, so it'll be a nice mix. Alright, continuing. end of bag 3, and here's what we have so far. Couple of small stickers. All 3 of those are stickers. I feel okay about that. The shaping is taking place. It's reminded me of the new Mustang Dark Horse, actually. Obviously, another muscle car of similar shape and stature. Be interesting to see how they compare when it's finished. But yeah, it definitely reminds me of that. I think these two will go together nicely. Anyways, bag 4 is the final bag, but the final bag for this one. And let's see how it goes. And these are the contents of bag 4. We've got 2 windshield pieces, one here and one here. No protection, of course, but they seem to have fared okay. Yeah, not seeing any big scratches. We've got our new style wheels and tires, and the custom wheel covers prints. So yeah, let's get building. Almost finished, but stickers, more stickers. All right, that's probably the last of the stickers. Yeah, but oof. And they're like the clear kind, so we've got to be careful with fingerprints and stuff. Here we go. It's finished! And they gave us an extra printed rim, which was really nice. But this is it. Looking pretty dapper. Front and side and back. I mean, it looks retro. Pretty good job. I mean, the shaping is a lot easier on something like this. So there wasn't like any super amazing technical aspects of it, although there were some interesting ones, but nothing like the super modern ones. But it's cool. And next to the Mustang, I mean, it fits in, I guess. Let's go this way. Muscle car, baby. Yeah, I mean, it definitely stands out, which is good. Getting all the angles. Sorry about the non-perfect lighting, but yeah, looks about right. Pretty cool. I think the dragster will be very interesting. But for now, we can enjoy this, and it's enjoyable. It's a nice change of pace from every other modern car, which pretty much all of them are modern. So, I like it. Good job. On to the next one. Day 2, baby! And we've got the dragster, the big exciting one. Not so excited for these giant stickers, but I'm excited to build. We've got some real big blocks and shapes in here, and some really specific, interesting pieces in the next one. So let's get building. This is our minifigure, a lady. I don't know if it's Supercar Blondie or a professional drag racer girl, but sorry. She's got some nice printing on the top and bottom, and on the back. Lots of hair here, lots of hair. I think she'll have a lot of trouble getting under that helmet, but she will find a way. These are the pieces outside of the bag. Lots of big pieces here. So should be an interesting build. Okay, let's get doing. Yeah. Okay, well, this is something you're never going to see in a Speed Champions. This is one mega structure. You can see the size of my hand. Doesn't even cover the whole length here. It's pretty serious. It's going to be Very interesting. Here's the car, a regular Speed Champions car, so it's almost twice as long as, you know, a real dragster is, but this is definitely some unique building stuff going on here. Pretty interesting so far. And the stickers have begun, some of the big stickers. Not too bad though. I guess these are probably easier than little stickers, honestly. But I feel like I did a pretty good job here. But we're definitely getting the layout, the idea of what this is. Yeah, building, I guess, the front end now. So here we go. Taking shape. A few more stickers. But we've got nearly a front end here. So definitely the most unique Speed Champions I've done yet. Very cool. End of bag 1, and this is what we've got. Some more stickers, but more of a structure. Some interesting piece usage. This is only on the one side, so I'll be interested to see what happens there. This is the bottom. They actually have a nice flat bottom situation going. So that was unexpected, but again, very long. You can still see it again compared to the regular car. It is like more than twice as long. It's pretty wild, but bag 2 is the final bag of the set. Looks like some really fun pieces going on in there. Let's open up this bag and see what's inside. Oh yeah, this is definitely the piece de la resistance. We've got our special frame windshield printed here. We've got interesting piece here. We've got our special bicycle tires for the front tires, and lots of other shapes and sizes going on. Some Technic pieces. Yeah, wow, this should be very interesting. I'm excited. Let's do this. Okay, and the seat has been made. That's quite a spectacle. You probably don't see much of it after everything is done, but I thought it was pretty interesting. Got our steering wheel. Yeah, it's like dun, 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 dun. Yeah. Alright, let's continue. Well, a lot has happened here. We got these side bits going on each side. As you can see, this kind of opens and closes, although it's supposed to stay closed. We've got the printed windshield on, ready to go. It hinges like so, and definitely starting to look like a dragster, but we've got a large engine to make here, so still quite a bit to go here. Let's do it. Oh man, this thing is no joke. There is a lot to unpack here. Yeah, they make a cool sound. But holy cow. Yeah. This is it. This is kind of cool. It technically can kind of go up and down, but it's really supposed to be about here. Here maybe. Canopy opens. We've got our detailed engine. Some details going on there. We've got our little front end here. Even down below is nice and aerodynamic. Pretty cool. Lots of stickers, but they weren't really a pain. They were okay. Let's look at the rear. Yeah, this cool bit here. If I have one complaint, and I really do only have one complaint, I think we could use some kind of wheel cover here. This just doesn't look right to me. Feels like something needs to be there. But other than that, I mean, it's pretty perfect. It is something else. It is very, very unusual. And it was a fun, unique build for sure. So if you can get your hands on this set. Got our driver inside there. We've got our driver here ready to go. Pretty cool. pretty darn cool. So yeah, get your hands on it. Hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next one. And just because I always like to add things, I want to say that this is a really sturdy mod. It may look thin and fragile, but it's not. I'm pushing down and it's not bending at all. I do think it looks great outside of just this tiny little problem here, which maybe can be fixed. I mean, how would it look with one of these? Nah, but maybe the extra wheel cover from, well, it doesn't fit. But I bet it would look better if I didn't drop it. Let's see how it looks. Kind of. I mean, it's probably why they didn't do anything, because nothing would look right. But, I mean, the detail is great. We have our driver in here now, ready to go. She is very happy. Fits in no problem. And, I mean, it's just cool. It's different. It is different. These, you know, are all different in their own way, but holy heck, stands out quite a bit. So just wanted to add that. Hope you've enjoyed anyways, and talk to you soon. Okay, and one more last thing. How does it compare to our brand new giant yellow delivery truck, which is very, very big? Well, let's see. 'Cause it is nearly the same length. Holy cow! That is so serious. These two look pretty great together. Sure does make you want to get both. And I recommend both. I really liked the truck as well. But yeah, just the final thing. This thing is very impressive. It is a very impressive, very cool. Go get yours today. Good luck.